Welcome back to my YouTube channel. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು UGC NET Commerce Paper 2012 question paper na solve ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. The first question is GDP at factor cost is. Here four options are given below. The right answer for this question is option B, GDP minus IT minus S. Here IT stands for indirect tax and S stands for subsidies. GDP minus indirect tax minus subsidies. The next question is which one is not the main objective of fiscal policy in India? The right answer is option A, to increase liquidity in the economy. This is not the main objective of fiscal policy in India. This is the duty of the government. Then the next question is which one is not an element of internal environment? Here four options are given below. The right answer is option C, money and capital market. This is not the element of internal environment. The next question is out of the following which four benefits are available to host countries from MNCs? Here various options are given below. Various codes are given below. The right answer is option C. The four benefits are available to host countries from MNCs are as follows. First one is transfer of technology. Second one is creation of job. Next one is better utilization of resources. Then the final one is improved competition in local economy. So the right answer is option C. The next question is environmental degradation does not consist of. The right answer is option D, none of the above. The next question is which one of the following concept is used as fund in the preparation of fund flow statement? Here four options are given below. The right answer is option D, all financial resources. The next question is window dressing is prohibited due to. Four options are given. The right answer is option B, convention of disclosure. The next question is assertion A, ratio analysis is one of the tools employed to know the financial health of a concern. This is the true assertion. The reason for this, ratio analysis is not the only technique available to take investment decision. This is also true reason. So the right answer for this question is option A, both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Then the next question is which of the following related to measures of non-financial performance of a concern? Here four options are given below. Choose the right answer from the combination. The right answer is option D, customer satisfaction, business process improvement, learning organization. These are related to measures of non-financial performance of a concern. The next question is consider the following parties. Here four options are given. Arrange them in correct sequence in the event of dissolution of firm. The right answer is option B. The first sequence is relating to dissolution of a firm is secured creditors, then unsecured creditors. Then the next one is partners who give granted loans. The final one is partners who have contributed over and above the profit sharing ratio. So the right answer is option B. The next question is which kind of economics explain the phenomenon of cause and effect relationship? The right answer is option B, positive. Positive economics explain the phenomenon of cause and effect relationship. Then the next question is assertion marginal cost and differential cost do not convey the same meaning in all the circumstances. This is the true assertion. The reason for this, differential cost increases or decreases due to change in the fixed cost. The right answer for this question is option D. Both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. The next question is consider the following. Here four sequence is given. Arrange them in a correct sequence. The first sequence is pricing objectives. Then the next sequence is pricing strategies. Then third one is pricing methods. Fourth one is pricing decisions. So the right answer is option A. The next question is a commodity is used for multiple purposes. Then the demand for it is known as. The right answer is option B, composite demand. Then the next question is match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer. List 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, list 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. List 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ administered price ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, parity pricing ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, competitive price ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, discriminating price ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Fixed price is fixed by the government. Parity pricing is fixed by landed cost of import. Competitive price, liberalized economy. Discriminating price, public enterprises. So the right answer is option D is the right answer for this question. Then the next question is sample design involves the following. Here various options are given. Which one of the following sequence is correct? The first sequence is type of universe. Then the next one is sampling unit. Third one is source list. Fourth one is size of sample. And the fifth one is sampling procedures. So the right answer is option C. The next one is, which one of the following is not a measure of dispersion? The right answer for this question is option A, quartile. It is not a measure of dispersion. Then the next one is, if bxy is equal to 0.25 and byx is equal to 0.64, correlation coefficient is. Here 4 options are given below. The right answer is option B, 0.40. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೂಟ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಂಟು ಬಿ ವೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ 0.25 ಇಂಟು 0.64 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0. ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಟನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0.40 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಈಸ್, ಸ್ಟರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. Here 4 options are given below. The right answer is option A, number of classes in a continuous distribution. The next question is, which of the following software has applications in both mathematics and statistics? Here 4 options are given below. The right answer is option D, none of the above. Because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಸಹ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಗಳು ಸಹ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. So the right answer is option D. Then the next question is, match the following. First one is, the practice of management is propounded by Peter F. Drucker. Philosophy of management is given by Oliver Sheldon. Then scientific management is given by F.W. Taylor. General and industrial administration is given by Henry Fayol. The right answer for this question is option B. Then the next question is, assertion, all decision taken through mental process are rational. Reason for this, decision making is a mental process. The right answer is option A, reason is correct but assertion is not correct. The next question is, who among the following developed the technique of management by expectation? The right answer is option B, Lester or Bittel. He developed the technique of management by exception in the year 1964. Then the next question is, which among the following are part of job description? The right answer is option A. It involves duties performed, job summary, job identification and supervision given. These are the parts of job description. The next question is, appointment of independent directors is a part of corporate governance as per the 4 options are given below. The right answer is option A, SEBI. Here SEBI stands for Security Exchange Board of India. Then the next question is, a method for achieving maximum market responses from limited marketing resources by reorganizing differences in the response characteristics of various parts of the market is known as. The right answer is option C, market segmentation. The next question is, who plays their significant role in distribution of goods when they do not sell to ultimate user or consumer? The right answer is option B, wholesaler. Then the next question is, in marketing mix, which 4 P's are covered? The right answer is option A, product, price, place, promotion. 4 P's are given by McCarthy. The next question is, which research includes all type of researcher into human motives when it refers to qualitative research designed to uncover consumer subconsciousness or hidden motivation? The right answer is option A, motivational research. Then the next question is, false and misleading claims and vulgarity in advertisement do not match with. The right answer is option B, ethics in advertising. The next question is, arrange the following steps involved in capital budgeting in order of their occurrence. Here various options are given. The first step involved in capital budgeting is project generation. Then the second step is project appraisal. Then the third step is project selection. Fourth step is project execution. Then the fifth step is follow-up. So the right answer is option B. Then the next question is, which method does not consider the time value of money? The right answer is option C, average rate of return. It does not consider the time value of money. Then the next question is, which formula is used to measure the degree of operating leverage? The right answer is option A, EBIT divided by sales, or percentage changes in EBIT divided by percentage changes in sales is used to calculate the degree of operating leverage. Then the next question is, which one is more appropriate for cost of retained earnings? The right answer is option B, opportunity cost to the firm. The next question is, match the following with the most suitable option. Modigliani Miller is related to capital. Net operating income approach is related to arbitrage. Short-term money market instrument refers to commercial paper. Factoring is related to working capital. So the right answer is option B. Then the next question is, during which plan was the National Apprenticeship Training Scheme introduced? The right answer is option 2, second 5-year plan. The next question is, match the following. List 1 is given and list 2 is given. The first one is, an ordinary person does not want to work on his own is related to theory X. An individual is willing to work on his own is related to theory Y. Motivational factor is related to hygiene theory. Esteem needs is related to hierarchy theory. The right answer for this question is option D. Then the next question is, arrange the following staffing procedure in the correct sequence. Here sequence are given and options are given. The right answer is option A. The first sequence is preparational specification. Then the next one is determining sources of personnel supply. Then the third one is determining personnel characteristics. Fourth one is selection of personnel. These are the sequence of the staffing procedure. Then the next question is, which among the following is not a voluntary method of prevention and settlement of dispute? The right answer is option D, works committee. Then the next question is statement 1. It is no better to pay employees for little than to pay too much. This is the true statement. Then the second statement is, competent employees will remain competent forever. This is the false statement. So the right answer is option A. Statement is true, but statement second is false. Then the next question is, match the following. Credit control is done by RBI. Corporate control is done by MCA. IPO control is done by SEBI. Here IPO stands for initial public offering. ULIP control is done by IRDA. The full form of IRDA is Insurance Regulatory Development Authority. Which one among the following has not started commercial banking? Here 4 options are given below. The right answer is option A, SIDBI. SIDBI stands for Small Industry Development Bank of India. It is established in the year 1990. The headquarters of SIDBI located in Lucknow, and it only provides financial assistance to MSME sectors. The next question is, what is OTP in credit transactions? The right answer is option C, one-time password. OTP stands for one-time password. The next question is, the power of Controller of Capital Issues of India is now shifted to. The right answer is option B, SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India. Then the next question is, the success of e-banking depends upon. Here various options are given. We have to choose the right answer. The right answer is option B. The success of e-banking depends upon multi-layer security system, risk and surveillance management, updated flawless softwares. Then the next question is, international liquidity comprises which 4 of the following? Here various options are given below and various codes are given below. We have to choose the right answer from this. The right answer is option C. International liquidity comprises gold held by central banks, forex reserve held by commercial banks, special drawing rights, and credit facilities available under swap. The next question is, which among the following important bodies of WTO? Here WTO stands for World Trade Organization. Various options are given and 4 combination is given. The right answer is option C. The important bodies of World Trade Organization are Dispute Settlement Body, then Trade Policy Review Body, Council for Trade in Goods, and Council for Trade Related Aspect of Intellectual Property Rights. Then the next question is, which one is not the source of external finance? Here 4 options are given. The right answer is option A, WTO funds. These are the not Sources of external finance. The next question is, which one is called Bretton Woods twins? Here 4 options are given. The Bretton Woods twins are IMF and IBRD. Here IMF stands for International Monetary Fund and IBRD stands for International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. It came into existence in the year 1944. IDA came into existence in the year 1960 and IFC came into the existence in the year 1956. Then the next question is, UNCTAD stands for? The right answer is option C, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development.